Hey MJ, I've got a special sauce today. Did you want to try some? Let's see what it tastes like. Not too bad. What do you think? Not spicy at all?
Yeah, spicy.
Hi, welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
Go.
We'll go with MJ.
MJ.
You have a flour, which is fun. And today's secret ingredient is, according to the internet, pronounced gochujang. I'm probably doing that wrong because I literally know no Korean. It's a Korean barbecue sauce. In case you couldn't figure it out from MJ's reaction, it's got some red pepper in it, which makes it a wee bit spicy. We're gonna make a delicious salad with this ingredient today, and we'll see how that goes during the taste test, considering MJ doesn't like spicy stuff. Let's get cooking. Alright gang, ingredients time. You're gonna need 6 ounces of soba noodles, a half a head of red cabbage, 4 to 5 leaves of butter lettuce chopped up, 1 carrot, 1 cucumber, both julienne, along with 2 to 3 radishes julienne, and a 1/4 cup of kimchi in smaller pieces like that. For the sauce, you'll need a 1/4 cup of gochujang, a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. A lot of 2 tablespoons. Alright, first thing we gotta do, cook the noodles. Go ahead and get a pot of water on to boil, and once it is boiling, put your noodles in. The package directions said 3 minutes. Make sure you just follow whatever your package directions say. I accidentally hit the hour button, so it didn't count down, but luckily I noticed right away, and after our 3 minutes are up, we're gonna go ahead and just drain those. And you want to make sure as well that you rinse them in cool water so that they cool down and don't overcook. To make the sauce, we're gonna mix all of those sauce ingredients. There goes the gochujang, the rice wine vinegar, and basically what we want to do is get them all in there and whisk them together. So the big part that is semi-challenging to get mixed in is the honey, because it's, well, rather sticky. So you're going to need to go to town with it a little bit. The easiest way to whisk is to go back and forth quickly, not in a circle. Once everything is mixed up, it should look something like this. So everything is nicely combined, no chunks of honey in the mix. Now we're going to mix all our vegetables together, so get a big bowl, and then I recommend using a tongs, and it's basically like tossing a salad. Let's get all those yummy vegetables in there, and then MJ is gonna probably goof around and play with the tongs. But we'll get everything mixed up, and then our next step is to grab those cooled noodles, and we'll do that as soon as MJ finally gets it. Oh, there we go. Finally gets it all mixed together, looking something like that. Then it's time to get those noodles in there. Boom, we got the nice cool noodles. Go ahead, use those tongs to get everything mixed in again. If you've let your sauce sit for a while like we have, you may need to re-whisk it a little bit because sometimes the honey just seems to gloop everywhere. I'm gonna add that to everything and get it nicely mixed up. Once you have everything coated in the wonderful dressing, you can plate it. It'll look something like that, and then it's time to eat. Let's see what it tastes like. Alright, so we got everything mixed together, and it's time for the taste test. We'll see what MJ thinks. I will give it a try. Did you want to try just some noodles, MJ? You love noodles. Not too bad. You can't really taste the kimchi too much. I totally wouldn't like, because I don't like kimchi. So it got a little bit of kick to it from the spicy sauce. MJ probably won't want to try it, but that's okay. Mama will eat probably all of this because she loves Korean food. So, signing off for another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M. This is
MJ, and that's Mama behind the screen so you can't see her. Mama, come in the video.
And if you like our videos, please feel free to subscribe, like, and share. And hopefully we'll see you again real soon.
I'm gonna poke you with my monkey. Oh, she only has one arm.